Remove the side cover left-hand side by opening one screw and removing one quick fastener by pressing its center pin inside. Ensure that when removing the side cover, the footrest must be in. Then, remove the grab bar by opening its 4 bolts using a 12 mm T-handle. Then, remove 2 quick fasteners of the tail cover by pressing their center pin inside. Torque the 2 bolts of pillion footrest with a torque wrench and a 14 mm socket. The value of torque is 32 foot-pounds. Install the rear side cover left-hand side by sliding it in backward direction while locating in the lug. Insert the locating pin in the rear side cover left-hand side at the tail side. Tighten 4 screws of the rear side cover left-hand side. Tighten its 4 bolts of 12 mm with washers by using a T-handle in crisscross pattern. Torque all the bolts to the specified value in crisscross pattern using a torque wrench with an extension and 12 mm socket. The specified value is 17 foot-pounds. Install the seat lock cover. Install one quick fastener by pressing its center pin. Remember, always ensure that while installing the side cover, the footrest must be in open position. Now install the center cover by aligning its 4 lugs.